What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we got some really interesting stuff. But before we start any of that, I just want to thank my sponsors, hand sanitizer by Clean and Natural, okay? They're the best company out there with hand sanitizing right now. You can get it at Costco, anywhere. Use my discount code NW10 and you can get 10% off. I just want to thank my next sponsor, Nestle Pure Life. Don't forget to drink water, don't forget to hydrate. You can use my discount code NW10 and get 10% off on your next Pure Life purchase. Okay, but for starters, before we even get anywhere remotely close to this video, I just want to thank Gatorade for my next sponsor because, come on now, it's Gatorade. It's the best company out there. Like, for real, you could use my discount code NW10 to get 10% off your next purchase, okay? After you play sports, after you do your YouTube videos, after you make these dumbass skits, you can just drink up with Gatorade and you'll be energized. Okay, enough of the sponsors now. Let's get straight into this video. But I have to mention this, my favorite brand out there, Kane dehumidifiers, okay? This is the best dehumidifier on the market right now. Do you see the nub? Do you see this? It just makes the air super clean and it just cleans it, and you can use my discount code NW10 to get your 10% off your next purchase. And it's you can't live life without this. Like, for real, like, look at this thing. Like, come on now. Thumbnail. Now that all the sponsors are out of the way, for real this time, in today's video, I talk about how interesting toilet paper rolls and their quality are. But before we even start, toilet paper rolls, Charmin Ultra Strong, the best toilet, one ply is all you really need. And like, just like that, achoo, woo! Good thing I had my trusty Charmin Ultra Strong paper towelette. Use NW10 for 10% off on your next Charmin Ultra Strong paper towel purchase. And this video cannot begin. I'm telling you right now, it cannot go any further without me mentioning my favorite company in the world, Prince of Persia for PlayStation Limited Edition. I am a proud ambassador of Prince of Persia. And if you are following me, and if you're subbed to me, then you don't know how interesting this is to me. You don't know how much of my life is surrounded by Prince of Persia PlayStation 3, okay? You can use my discount code NW10 for 10% on your next purchase. Did I mention how comfy this chair is right now? Honestly, look at this thing. You can use NW10 on your next... What the fuck brand is even this? I don't even know the brand, they're just paying me. Okay, but for real though, onto the content. I just want to say thank you to my proud sponsors for giving me this tree. Yeah, I'm so grateful that they sponsored me, and I'm a proud ambassador of this. You can use my discount code NW10 for 10% off your next purchase on tree. This is fucking ugly as shit. Thumbnail.